big news for Galaxy Foldable fans. Samsung has finally brought the One UI 8 beta to the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5. If you own one of these premium foldables, this is your chance to test the future of Samsung software before anyone else. The beta program just went live through the Samsung Members app, and signups are now open. But remember, slots are limited, so you'll need to act fast if you want in. Once enrolled, you'll get the first beta update directly over the air and can start exploring the new features right away. This rollout comes right after Samsung expanded One UI 8 beta to nearly all major Galaxy devices, from the S23 series to the A36, A35, A55, and A54. Foldable users were left out yesterday, but now Samsung has officially kicked things off for the Fold 5 and Flip 5 too. That means only the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Ultra are still waiting for their turn. Why join the beta? Because you'll get early access to all the new One UI 8 features. Plus, you can give direct feedback to Samsung to help shape the stable release. This is your front row seat to experience smarter AI, smoother performance, and the next big step in Samsung's foldable ecosystem. So don't wait. Open your Samsung Members app right now. Find the One UI 8 beta banner and sign up before the slots run out. This is your golden chance to be among the first to try out Samsung's most powerful software yet.